Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So it is a Samsung Galaxy M51 friends, and this is a video which was asked by a few of the subscribers that to compare between both the smartphones. So in this video, I'll be testing the same video playing side by side, and let's see which phone has a better saturation and the contrast levels and brightness levels as well. And in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using currently in this both smartphones for the punch holes, so try to check the links in description. There will be a playlist available for the wallpapers only. Try to check that playlist, and also for the more videos on the Realme X7 Pro, try to check that playlist here. You can find very good amazing videos on the Realme X7 Pro in case if you are interested. So let me try to quickly show you the settings here about the display, about the phone. As you can see, this is a Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. This is a new processor I'm using right now for the first time in my studio. So if you want to know more details, try to check the playlist. And let me try to show you the display properties of both the smartphones. And the Realme X7 Pro has a 6.55 inches, and whereas the Samsung M51 has a 6.7 inches display and Super AMOLED Plus display in the Samsung Galaxy M51 and Super AMOLED display in the Realme X7 Pro. So, and the resolution is kind of same to each other, and pixel density is a little bit low because of the bigger screen size, and the brightness is also 420 nits, and here is the brightness is of 1200 nits under the direct sunlight. That is a maximum peak brightness you can get there. And one thing is that the Gorilla Glass 5 protection, so in the Realme phones and in the Samsung phone, still it is using the very old Gorilla Glass 3 protection. That's another disadvantage. So the Realme phone has the 120 Hz refresh rate and the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So in terms of the properties and so much of specifications, the Realme phone is very much powerful than the Samsung display. But let's see friends, Super AMOLED Plus is another thing which is very interesting to compare versus the Super AMOLED panel from the premium end smartphone segment. And let me quickly show you the display properties what I am using currently here. So on the display under the screen mode, you can find the option of the vivid or natural mode. So let me try to select the vivid mode, and right now there is no screen mode option present at the moment in the Realme X7 Pro. So maybe in the future updates we might be able to get that option. So now let me try to play the same video in both phones side by side. As you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both phones side by side in the full brightness mode at the moment. So I can notice the brightness in the Realme phone is slightly higher than the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So let me try to show you the viewing angles of both the smartphones. So if you observe this location here, I can find the brightness more on the Realme phone. And on the Samsung display, I like the contrast. So if you observe at this point exactly, you can see the Samsung display has a higher contrast and saturated colors in this kind of region if you compare between both the phones screen sizes. So overall, if you like the saturated and contrast colors, then definitely the Samsung would be the best option because of having the Super AMOLED Plus option. So that makes the colors looks a little bit kind of saturated than the Realme's X7 Pro display. That's only a little bit of difference, not that big difference I'm noticing, but there is a little bit of good colors on the Samsung display. But the Realme has a higher brightness advantage. That's another bonus for this mobile phone. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. So brightness is at 10. Let me try to decrease to 0, and both are at 0 brightness level right now. And this is 100% brightness. So you can see this kind of flower is kind of dark red versus the light red on the Realme phone. That's the one thing to notice quickly. So do comment below friends which display you felt the best as well, and next upcoming video I'll try to compare with the OnePlus Nord and other smartphones as well in my channel. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So that's it friends, this is a quick display comparison between both of the smartphones, and for more future videos, make sure to follow me regularly to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. And the final winner is the Samsung in terms of the colors and brightness in the Realme phone is a clear winner. And that's it, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.